Hey, what's going on, fam? We got another product introduction video for you. We got combat uniforms. Good boy. All right, so what is this? We have some good combat pants. We have some different types of combat pants from different brands. These ones have the cargo pocket, they have the pocket in the bottom, the drawstring at the bottom, the reinforced bottom, back pockets, buttons. These are insect repellent, very good for the jungle, and come in multicam. So we will be bringing this year different types of combat pants for military, for your teams, for working, whatever you'd like to do. If you want to be like, tactical in the mall, right? You get your pants on, whatever you want to do. But we got you covered here at Hagios. We have some combat shirts. This is the newer type with the zipper. We also have the old style, the turtleneck style. It has this jersey material on the front, like you see, like I'm wearing, like he's wearing here, and then the other fabrics on the side. It's a very comfortable fabric. It's almost like a pajamas, very comfortable, and it has the place to put your patches on the side. It has the basketball type rubber for the elbow, just in case you fall, you don't want to hurt your elbows. And you can cinch it down here, tighten it for the cuffs. What else we got here? Zipper pocket here. Right. More patches here. Combat shirts. We have different types of pants as well. These ones are flame retardant pants, so they're more tactical. They have the Velcro here to tighten them, to reduce friction when you're going through the jungles. Keep your pants tight. Keep your knee pads in the right spot. So similar, they have the cargo pants, pocket, and the pocket down here. Again, buttons reinforced in the bottom. Yeah. These ones are the advanced combat pants. Man. Different styles, different materials. All right, so we'll be bringing you different options this year. You can keep checking our store for products that are available. We got some different pairs on hand. Different sizes available. We'll be ordering more, so different brands we'll be bringing you as well. We got shirts. We got you covered. We got you covered. What you need for your teams. We got a few on hand. We also have other types of shirts available for you. So let us know what you need. We can also get stuff for you. All right, you know where to get it. Hagios. contact us. Let us know. We got you covered.